This is a used 2011 Kia Soul. It's powered by front-wheel drive engine and a manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a satellite radio, a trip computer, an MP3 player, privacy glass, child restraint seats, air conditioning, power windows, power steering, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.